Class 6 Computer. Hello children, welcome back. Today we'll discuss the question answer of computer fundamentals. Exercise corner. Question A. Tick the correct answer. Number 1. Which of the following is known as the brain of a computer? Answer is option B, CPU. Number 2. Which part of the CPU is responsible for doing arithmetic operations? Answer is option A, ALU. Number 3. Which of the following is an example of secondary storage? Answer is option C, hard disk. Question number 4. Which of the following is a high-speed memory present between the CPU and the main memory? Answer is option D, cache memory. Question number 5. Which of the following is the most powerful in terms of processing speed and memory? Answer is option C, supercomputers. Question number B. Write each device under the appropriate category. Keyboard, input device. CD, storage device. Printer, output device. DVD, storage device. Monitor, output device. Scanner, input device. USB flash drive, storage device. Speaker, output device. Plotter, output device. Memory card, storage device. Barcode reader, input device. Question number C. Expand the following. Number 1. CPU, Central Processing Unit. Number 2. ALU, Arithmetic Logic Unit. Number 3. CU, Control Unit. Number 4. RAM, Random Access Memory. Number 5. ROM, Read Only Memory. Number 6. MICR, Magnetic Ink Character Reader. Question number D. Guess who I am. Number 1. I am present inside the CPU box and am used to perform calculations. Answer is ALU. Number 2. I am a type of memory that loses data when the computer is turned off. Answer is RAM. Question number 3. I am a type of computer that is usually used at home. Answer is microcomputer. Question number 4. I am a type of computer that is used in weather forecasting. Answer is supercomputer. Question number E. Answer these questions. Question number 1. Describe the 4 operations performed by a computer. Answer is the 4 operations performed by a computer are input, process, output, and storage. Data and instructions are given to the computer through input devices are called input. The data given to the computer are processed as per the instructions given. This is called process. After the data has been processed, the computer system generates a meaningful information in the output device called output. The output can be stored on storage devices. Therefore, storage is the 4th operation performed by a computer system. Question number 2. What are the components of a CPU? Answer is the components of a CPU are arithmetic logic unit, control unit, and the memory or storage unit. Question number 3. Differentiate between RAM and ROM. This question, do it yourself. Answer is in page number 6. Question number 4. Differentiate between impact and non-impact printers. Answer is The difference between impact and non-impact printer is the impact printer uses print head to strike an ink ribbon to give an impression on a sheet of paper, whereas a non-impact printer print without making any impact on the paper. Question number 5. How can computers be classified on the basis of their size and performance? Answer is, on the basis of their size and performance, computers are generally classified into three types: microcomputers, mini computers, and supercomputers. Microcomputer is a small computer with a microprocessor as its CPU. Desktop computer or personal computers used in offices, schools, homes are microcomputers. Mini computers have more processing power than microcomputers. They are used as server in networks. Supercomputers are most powerful in terms of processing speed and memory. These are used for scientific research, weather forecasting, etc. It's all about your chapter 1. Write all the question answer in your copy.